Honorable Prime Minister's faith in Lord Jagannath, we are gifting him a silver filigree model of the chariot of Lord Jagannath, which symbolizes progress and prosperity. So on that note, Jai Jagannath. Now we can see the bearer of the dreams of a billion Indians, the man who has envisioned Viksit Bharat by 2047, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, being escorted by the man who has been entrusted with the responsibility of Samriddh Odisha by 2036, the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Majhi. A very warm welcome to each one of you once again to Utkarsh Odisha, Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. May I now request Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Majhi, lovingly known as the People's Chief Minister and who is deeply committed to the goal of Samriddh and Viksit Odisha, which he strongly believes can be achieved by harnessing the state's mineral resources and transforming the industrial landscape by bringing in modern industries, to present the welcome address. Please welcome him with a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Majhi.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Union Minister for Education Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Union Minister for Railways, Information and Broadcasting, Electronics and IT Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, my cabinet colleagues, MPs and MLAs, our esteemed international guests, honorable ambassadors, high commissioners, consular generals, and senior diplomats from various countries, industry, captain, business leaders, entrepreneurs, and stakeholders from various parts of the country, as well as from our state Odisha, ladies and gentlemen, एवं मोर अति प्रिय ओडिशार भाई और भौणी माने नमस्कार. Good morning. Welcome to Odisha. Welcome to the land of Lord Jagannath. I welcome you all to the inauguration session of Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज हमारे लिए गर्व और गौरव की बात है कि आपकी कर कमल से आज की ये दिव्य और भव्य समारोह की शुभारंभ हो रहा है. आपकी ये सदैव उपस्थित हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है. ये आपकी ओडिशा और ओडिशा के लोगों के लिए प्यार की निशानी है. पिछले 7 महीने में ये आपकी 5वां आगमन है. हर बार ओडिशा के लिए कुछ ना कुछ सौगात लेके आए हैं. इस बार तो आप इतनी बड़ी सौगात लाए हैं कि अगले कुछ महीने में राज्य की विकास की दशा और दिशा ही बदल जाएगी. 7 महीने पहले पूर्वोदय की जो नींव आपने रखे थे, आज उसी नींव के ऊपर एक मजबूत ढांचा निर्माण होने जा रहा है। इसलिए हम सब आपके प्रति बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। Sir, your sheer presence on this conclave will instill a sense of confidence among the investors and business community to not only invest in the state but also confidence to stay invested in the long run. Dear guests and delegates, Odisha is not only the land of opportunities, soon it is going to be the driving engine of the country, especially in eastern India, as part of Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Purvodaya. The state has ultimate potential right from a rich and wide variety of natural resources, impressive roads, rail and port infrastructure, decent air connectivity, including direct flights to important business destinations like Dubai, Singapore, skilled workforce, a peaceful social fabric, a stable and forward-looking government, and above all, industry-friendly policies. As a precursor to these events, I have visited countries' business hubs like Delhi and Mumbai, as well as Singapore, to explore opportunities. I can now see the result of that interactions and the confidence you have deposited to come and invest in Odisha. Just a week ago, we had the privilege to welcome the Honorable President of Singapore and sign 8 transformative MOUs with the leading Singaporean entities. Under the visionary leadership and guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Odisha is ready to claim its rightful place under the sun. We realize that more than 24 states in the country are vying to attract investment, which is great for Indian economy. We are fully geared to work an extra mile to make your lives a little easier with decisions like single window clearance, doing away with unnecessary and avoidable documentation. The government is ready to work 3 steps if you chose to work half a step. There is also a strong focus on development of world-class industrial infrastructure. We are setting up through a strategic focus on geographical and sectoral diversification. Regions like Malkangiri, Rayagada and Keonjhar, historically underserved, are now emerging as focal points for sectors such as food processing, textiles and renewable energy. Every part of the state offers some kind of opportunities. We invite you all to take advantage of this ultimate opportunity on the offer. Dear investors, we would like to have a diversity portfolio along with mining and metallurgy sectors. We would like to have your interest and investment in the fields of chemicals and petrochemicals, green hydrogen, IT services, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and metal downstream industries, all aligned with the global growth trends. You will be happy to note that in order to ensure continuous supply of skilled workforce, our government has implemented Skill in Odisha initiative. We are equipping our youth with new age skills for emerging industries like semiconductors, advanced manufacturing, and ITES, so that industry-ready trained manpower are ready to enter into the labor market. In short, I extend you all a warm welcome and invite with open arms. Come and invest in Odisha. Be a part of the growth story of Odisha. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपके समर्थन और दूरदृष्टि से हम 2036 तक समृद्ध ओडिशा बना रहे हैं। देश को तृतीय सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनाने की जो आपकी प्राण है, इसी यज्ञ में ओडिशा की भी विशेष योगदान रहेगा। ओडिशा का औद्योगिक विकास न केवल इसी राज्य के लिए बल्कि पूरे भारत के लिए प्रगति के एक मॉडल के रूप में कार्य करेगा। With these words, I welcome you all to this Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha conclave. Come, invest in Odisha because this is the right time. यही समय है, सही समय है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। वंदे उत्कल जननी।
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for your inspiring address. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we are truly privileged to have amidst us industry captains who have long-standing partnerships with Odisha and have remained committed to the state's industrial growth. Let's hear what they have to share about Odisha's growth story.
सूर्य का उदय पूरब से होता है, वैसे ही विकसित भारत का उदय उड़ीसा से होगा।
Inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat, Odisha is ushering in a new dimension of socio-economic progress under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Maji.
This concept, where state and central governments are working in tandem, can only further accelerate progress of Odisha and bring major investment in the state.
The state serves as an ideal hub for the big businesses, right from the logistic perspective to the seamless connectivity for the eastern and southern regions.
Odisha is a land of limitless opportunities with its rich natural resources, skilled workforce, and investor-friendly policies.
Odisha offers unparalleled opportunities for businesses under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Maji. Our investment in the state are a testament to the state's conducive environment for growth and its commitment to progress.
Tata Steel's relationship with Odisha goes back over 100 years. Even over the last 10 years, Tata Steel has spent something like $10 billion of investments in Odisha.
We have invested more than 54,000 crores in the state. Further, we have plans to invest another 80,000 crores in upcoming projects including PXPTA and dual feed naphtha cracker that will propel the petchem growth in the region.
उड़ीसा जो कि भगवान का दिया हुआ सारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वाला एक प्रदेश है, जिसके अंदर स्टील, एल्युमिनियम और एनर्जी उसकी भरपूर मात्रा में कैपेसिटी आगे आने वाले समय में लगने वाली है।
मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि यहाँ की सरकार, यहाँ का वातावरण बहुत अनुकूल है इंडस्ट्री लगाने के लिए।
Odisha isn't just a destination for investment. It's a partner in your growth. Odisha is not just ready for the future. It is building it.
मैं अपने एंटरप्रेन्योर, स्टार्टअप, बड़ी इंडस्ट्री वाले, फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, FDI वालों सबको अपना अनुभव बता रहा हूँ कि उड़ीसा राज्य एक ऐसा राज्य है जो टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में इंडस्ट्री लगाने के क्षेत्र में, कंजम्पशन के क्षेत्र में सबसे आगे है। आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you to all our industry captains for your encouraging words. Ladies and gentlemen, our industry captains have reiterated that we are truly Utkarsh Odisha, a state whose strength lies in its natural resources, in its industrial infrastructure, progressive policy framework, ease of doing business initiative, and its vision to become a sustainable and inclusive growth leader. We have a special video presentation on Utkarsh Odisha, Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, which showcases these strengths. Let's take a look at it.
The wheel of transformation set in a divine motion. From Adikal to Amritkal, blending the pace of heritage and progress, guided by the pure spirit of Lord Jagannath. It's the wheel that shaped industrial convergence with the endless potential of this fabled land. Odisha, the rising sun of India. Land rich with a melange of culture, tribes, and artistic brilliance. Where the wheel of progress turns, making every opportunity come alive with innovation. Today, Odisha stands tall as the industrial powerhouse of eastern India. Leading from the front, the double-engine government of Odisha is committed to build a progressive future. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the land of Odisha is paving the way for Utkarsh.
महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी की कृपा से उड़ीसा देश की विकास यात्रा के ग्रोथ इंजन पैकी एक होगा कि उड़ीसा की गिनती देश के सशक्त, समृद्ध और तेजी से आगे बढ़ने वाले राज्यों में हो.
Propelled by the able leadership of Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Majhi.
Our aid is fast becoming an industrial powerhouse. My government is focused on building a robust industrial infrastructure. The grand gateway to ASEAN markets, a strategic hub for global trade opportunities. Ranked among the top states for ease of doing business. With single window platform and supportive government schemes and incentives. Today, Odisha's world-class infrastructure is growing. With smart cities, industrial corridors, and business breeding ports, shaping the genesis of a bold new India. With rising investments in IT, tourism, pharmaceuticals, green energy initiatives, and many more. Preparing a future-ready workforce for the demands of tomorrow. In Odisha, businesses don't just grow, they gain momentum. Come,
Witness the biggest launchpad for business on the eastern coast of India. And let's together make Odisha Vikasit. Let's make it happen. Make it grow. To make it big, make it Utkarsh. Utkarsh Odisha. Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. Sunrise of investment excellence. Invest in Odisha. Invest in future.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that explains why Odisha is called the gateway of endless opportunities and why we say invest in Odisha, invest in future. It's now time to hear valuable insights and perspectives from our industry leaders once again, but this time in their journey together with India's growth story. Let's take a look at the video.